Here's a 2013 Toyota Tundra. This is a well-outfitted pickup with a comfortable cabin. The visibility from the driver's seat is excellent. It comes equipped with heated mirrors, a CD player, and a low tire pressure warning. Plus, it has the great safety features like multiple airbags, anti-lock brakes, and stability and traction control.
No one will complain about the temperature with the dual-zone climate control.
Come and see this do-it-all pickup today.
At Jenkins Nissan, honesty is our policy. We're conveniently located at 4401 State Route 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.